How to download WhatsApp in your laptop within 1 minute. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how can you download WhatsApp on your laptop. To do this, first of all, tap on search bar. Now search Microsoft Store, then open it. After opening your Microsoft Store, then click on the search bar and now search WhatsApp. Then here you will get WhatsApp, click on it. Then you will get install button, click on it. After installing WhatsApp on your laptop, then close Microsoft Store, then tap on this start button over here and then search WhatsApp. Now right click on your mouse, then here you will get pin to taskbar, click on it. After that, WhatsApp will be pinned on your taskbar. Now click on it, and after that you have to click on get started. Then you will get interface like that. Now all you have to do, go ahead and open up WhatsApp on your mobile, then tap on these three dots, then tap on linked devices and then tap on a link a device. Then it will ask you for your mobile pin number, password or fingerprint. After that you have to scan the QR code on your laptop screen. And as you can see that my WhatsApp account is logged in my laptop, and that's how you can download and log in WhatsApp on your laptop. I hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.